Okay, even though Miss Ashlyn is crying, we're giving her first cereal to eat. She's 4 months old, and today is the 24th, right? 24th of February, 2012. Here you go, baby. What's that? Is it yummy?
I think she knows what that is.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
You want some more?
More?
Here you go.
No, don't grab the spoon.
No.
You can't help yet.
Not yet. No. Here you go.
She's eating it.
Yeah?
Doctor said it might take 3 weeks to...
Oh, well,
Please have a rag.
this is the towel if you want to get it. Come here.
There you go. Shiny my finger. Tell her it's the ba.
The bottom.
Maybe she'll think it's food. No. Ba?
Yeah.
Ba? Ba? Just put it on the tip of the spoon and just do that. Wipe it and get it out. So she didn't grab it. There you go. There you go. Ba. Ba. Good. Give her a minute. Look. It might just be sitting in her mouth. Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Oh, she's licking it.
Yeah. Give her,
You're thinking it a little bit.
give her a couple seconds to figure out what to do with it. There you go. You're figuring it out. Oh, you're ready. There you go. In and out. There you go.
You
I got it. Must taste okay.
It's just brown rice
Go.
sitting in her mouth.
She's yelling at you. Oh,
Yeah, you can see it's sitting there. Yeah, yeah.
we have a bowl out.
There's one in her room. It's got stuff in it already. Okay.
Here, chase it down with that. There you go. You know what to do with this one.
Can they give me my bottle?
Okay. You got it down.
Good girl.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's all over that thing. Good girl. Good girl. Pop. Chase it. Swallow. Swallow.
Good girl.
I guess it's a different process. Sucking that or eating that. She has to learn how to.
Yeah.
She knows what to do with this. There, okay. There you go. You're getting it down. There you go. Good girl. Bob, here. Here, Bob, right here.
Right here.
There you go.
Open up.
Wow. Takes that really well.
You're doing really good, sweetheart.
Doctor said she'd be wearing it for 3 weeks. There you go.
Good girl. You're so good.
It's going right down. enough.
She's wearing it a little bit. Thanks to mommy.
It's not bad. Just make sure it's not sitting somewhere in her mouth. I ought to fill her up quick.
Give her a little.
There you go. How much was in there?
Oh, only a tablespoon.
It's not enough to fill her belly, but it ought to feel good.
That's what they say to do on the box, and even he said to me just a little bit. It only says to use 1 tablespoon of cereal for baby's first.
It's not much, but it's totally different. I guess that's solid food, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just to break it down. It's already worked in. Try the spoon out of your hand.
I know.
Calm it down.
That new tippy cup that I got her, she could eat
Put
this
it
out
in
of
there.
that because that's got the opening for it.
Nice. Mmm. Yeah. Okay. Think that's a good idea. Mix it.
Yeah, you're actually supposed to put some formula in it, and I didn't get to do it. So
There you
it's
go.
fine.
There you go.
She's like, don't, I'm not giving it back.
Share. Okay, you bet. Try to let up some of the spoon. And just peel it off on her lip. There you go. It gets in there. It's doing pretty good though. It's going down. Whack. Whack.
I can't even see.
Here's what I was thinking.
I'm gonna give a little bit to her.
Just a little bit. Don't look like rice. Okay. There you go. In and out. Okay. Don't help. Don't help. Oh boy. There you go. Don't help.
You cutie. Here you go. Have another sip.
I think the thickness is right on it.
Yeah.
Doesn't have trouble with, it falling out or sticking to her mouth. And she's just killing it. Hi. Hi, love.
Is Daddy giving you cereals now?
And she's all business right now. No smiles, no giggling. Just shovel it in my mouth. Get your finger. Don't put your finger in there too. Good job. Good job. More coming right here. More. More. There you go. Come on. Don't help. Okay. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Hey, hey. No, more. no problem.
Mm-mm.
Okay, here's the last one. That's it. You're done.
Good girl.
Nope, nope, nope. Don't put it back on the spoon. Take it, take it, take it. There you go.
Yay!
Now you can finish your bottle.
You can have your bottle. You wanna hold your foot? You gonna hold your foot? You gonna hold your bottle? Look.